Nilight H11 LED headlight bulbs. The Nilight H11 LED headlight bulbs are a remarkable product that brings unparalleled brightness and efficiency to your vehicle's headlights. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing, I can confidently say that these bulbs provide a superior lighting experience. One of the standout features of the Nilight H11 LED headlight bulbs is their impressive lifespan of 50,000 hours. This means that once installed, you can enjoy reliable and long-lasting illumination without the need for frequent replacements. This longevity adds great value to the product, especially for those who frequently drive during nighttime or in adverse weather conditions. These headlight bulbs are designed by Nilight, a trusted brand known for its commitment to providing high-quality automotive lighting solutions.
Please note that the Nilight H11 LED headlight bulbs have a manufacturer part number of N1A2H11XA2 and originate from China. However, the quality and performance that they deliver make them a reliable and recommended choice for enhancing your vehicle's lighting system.